We'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in negative MACD, seeing slight signs of a converge. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD and at oversold condition with the RSI. We're still below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance at the price of $2.82. As we extend that to the daily chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory and we're still resting right along the 150 moving average, this red line, which acted as support in the past as indicated back in January 22nd. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry for it is at $9.68. My sell target is at $10.31, and my stop loss is at $9.47. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.48. My sell target is at $9.91, and my stop loss is at $10.65. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 57% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, and a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%. And for the extreme case to the downside, a 14% chance to fall between negative 4 to negative 8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.